Welcome to the Science Summit. In this video, we'll be exploring 10 powerful foods that can help you balance your blood sugar levels and improve your overall health and well-being. Whether you're looking to prevent imbalanced blood sugar levels or manage existing health conditions, these foods are a great place to start. Let's get started. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a great source of fiber, which helps to slow the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. This can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent spikes in insulin levels. Berries. Berries are low in sugar and high in fiber, making them a great option for balancing blood sugar levels. Additionally, berries contain antioxidants that can help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. They also contain magnesium, a mineral that is essential for glucose metabolism. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli are low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, making them a great option for balancing blood sugar levels. Additionally, leafy greens are a rich source of vitamins and minerals that are essential for good health. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a great source of complex carbohydrates, which are broken down slowly in the body, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. They are also a rich source of fiber and vitamins, making them a nutritious and delicious addition to any diet. Lentils. Lentils are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, both of which help regulate blood sugar levels. Lentils are also a low glycemic food, meaning they have a low impact on blood sugar levels. Avocados. Avocados are a great source of healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. Additionally, avocados are low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, making them a great option for balancing blood sugar levels. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a great source of fiber and protein, both of which can help regulate blood sugar levels. Additionally, chia seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Fish. Fish is a great source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. Additionally, fish is low in carbohydrates, making it a great option for balancing blood sugar levels. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. Try adding a pinch of cinnamon to your coffee or smoothies for a delicious and nutritious way to balance your blood sugar levels. In conclusion, incorporating these 10 foods into your diet can help you balance your blood sugar levels and improve your overall health and well-being. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution, consider GlucoTrust, a natural supplement that helps balance blood sugar levels. GlucoTrust contains a blend of vitamins, minerals, and herbs that work together to promote healthy blood sugar levels.